You know what time it is. We got a package from Drake Cosmetics, so let's open it together. Ooh, so we got the Drake Hydrating Primer with COQ10. This is super good for your skin. I'm so excited to try this out. Ooh, we got an eyeshadow palette. This is matte eyeshadow palettes. How freaking exciting is that? These are so pretty. So let's do some swatches. Look how pretty these colors are. Oh, I cannot wait to do a look with this. This is going to be so much fun. Thank you so much, Drake Cosmetics, for this. And you guys, watch out because we're going to have so many looks coming out with this. As always, use code TiffanyNUA to save. Love you all.